This is the practice test for decimals. Here we're working on problems 11 and 12. Problem 11, we're asked to divide 4.72 divided by 8. Now we want to set up the division in this way here, in which the 4.72 is underneath the quotient bar, and the 8, which is our divisor, is out here. So we notice that we already have a whole number here. We don't need to move any decimal points. And so we're going to take this decimal point between the 4 and the 7 and put it right up here on the quotient line. And then we're going to start our division. Now 8 fits into 47 5 times. And 5 times 8 is 40. And so I'm going to subtract the 40, and I have 7. Then I pull down my next digit to the right, which is the 2, and I repeat the process. I ask how many times does 8 fit into 72, and the answer is 9 times. 9 times 8 gives me 72, and I have a remainder of 0. So my answer is 0.59 or 59 hundredths. And then down here on number 12, we are dividing by a factor of 10. We're dividing by 10. Now, whenever we're dividing by 10 or any multiple of 10 or any factor of 10, we are going to move the decimal point to the left, the number of zeros in our divisor. So here we have 175 and 9/10. We're dividing by 10, and there's 1 0 in the 10, so we're going to take that decimal point and move it one place to the left, and our answer is going to be 17 and 59 hundredths. So back in a previous problem, we multiplied by factors of 10. When we're multiplying, we move the decimal point to the right. We make the number bigger. When we are dividing by factors of 10, we move the decimal point to the left. We make the number smaller.